Go, go, go!
Hi everybody, this is Mr. Frasle. We always talk about niches or niches, about where you are comfortable at. Well, today we're going to do a little tour of mine with my two favorite little people that are outside. My third one's inside right now. But it is my wood stove. So let me change operators here. That's one of my helpers. Say hi, Adeline.
Hi.
And this is my wood stove. I don't know, or wood barn I should say. This is my wood stove. And here, this is 14 by 23 feet. Built it with my dad or their grandpa. And it's kind of empty right now, obviously, being already almost late March. Say hi, James.
Hi.
And he's trying to pick up some wood. Over here, this is where we stack our wood, and this is where I use my chainsaw and my axe and my splitter to take the wood in this form and put it into a wood barn. First, obviously, as Adeline is already looking and modeling for us, we got safety gear on if we were doing this for real, with glasses and earmuffs. For the people wondering, we talk about how I don't use an axe, but I use a maul. This is a maul. It's not an axe, but it's a maul because if you look at it, on the bottom, there's an actual splitting part, and on the back, if you flipped it over and look at it, it's a sledgehammer. And what Adeline just picked up, this is called a wedge. You want to show it? This is not a traditional wedge, this is a diamond wedge, because if you look at it, it's more diamond shaped. And that's what we use to split wooded if I can't split it with an 8-pound maul. And here's James, once again, say hi.
Hi.
And my dog Nala. And there's my chainsaw I use, obviously using all the protective equipment so I can do my thing. But overall, here's my little niche out here. My wood stove, my little wood barn, obviously two of my kids, obviously Miles can't be out here, and the wood I have right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little tour of one of my niches outside.
Climbing.
And other than Adeline wants to show you that she can climb some of this internal wood stacks.
There's actually 3 ways that I can climb.
All right.
There's 3 ways that I can climb. So, well, I can climb this way. There's 4. There's actually 4 ways I can climb. I can climb too. There's this way. There's a balance thing. But if you see this